Well, good morning. It's 4 a.m. again. Here we go. So I did have an opportunity to do some more research yesterday, and kind of figured out, starting to get the hang of this whole thing. I did notice that this is going to be a business, and if you're going to want to get into this to make money, and which we all are, that's the whole purpose of it. Have more say in our lifetime and what we do during the day. It's going to be an investment. It's not going to be a huge investment. You can get away with a little bit, but you're going to have some tools that help, that point you in the right direction. The most important is going to be your niche. Make sure that we get that niche taken care of, and we're actually looking for a niche that people are going to need to solve their problems. That's going to be extremely important. We are going to have to make measurable goals, so something we can measure. Keep them small. I've noticed that. Advertising, you're going to have a mixture of advertising depending on what your following is on social media, or if you're writing a blog. The SEO I've been touching on for the last couple of days, and it's extremely, extremely, extremely important. You're not going to get found out there in the internet without SEO. So I've been doing tons of research on that, finding out what tools are the best. I did find one, and it seems to be, somewhat attractive. And that would be, let me get my little noggin moved again. Is this here, these Discover Longtail Pro keywords. It's going to be extremely helpful when you're trying to get yourself to be ranked up in the Google, to get up on there, to be one of the first ones to find you, for people that are looking to solve the problems that they're looking for. As they say, they're the most trusted SEO tool for marketing professionals, CEO consultants, affiliate marketers, and agencies. And they've got a video on here you can watch. I'm not going to do that because I'm not really allowed to do that. So I'm not going to show the video to you, but they do have pricing plans. And their pricing goes, annually starters about $200 or $300 a year. So if you take that and divide that by 12, there's what you'd have to pay for the annual starter, and that'll get you keyword results in 24 hours. Every 24 hours, 800, which is plenty, I believe, just for starting out. We're gonna have to. I figured that it's going to be a mixture between ads and free traffic, which would be Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all that stuff right there. But it's going to take a lot of time. So free traffic's a lot of time. You have to gain a following. They have to start to trust you and all that good stuff, right? I'll put a link down below the video for that SEO long tail, and you can go and take a look at it if you'd like. Below in the description of the video. So it'll be there for you. I think the problem was with affiliate marketing is so many people have shortcutted it and made a very bad name. That's where I come across with a used car salesman type situation. They just kind of loaded up in a shotgun and splattered the internet with it. They have actually no morals or ethic. They just throw out there to make money. So it's made them a bad name. The more I research this, the more I go through this, it is a feasible business. You're just a marketer. You're basically going to have to do digital marketing. Make yourself better than the rest. Get above them all. Paid advertising is going to be very difficult on Facebook, because if you look at Facebook, most people on Facebook, they're just scrolling. You know, they're there just to see their grandma or their aunt or their brother or friends and what everybody's, kind of typing in Facebook, because everybody in Facebook's got the perfect life. Have you ever noticed that? You go on somebody's Facebook account and they're just living the life, man. Living the dream. Everybody's living the dream. It's kind of funny how nobody has any problems when you go on Facebook. They try to paint their picture so pretty, and then, behind the scenes, they're bankrupt and the story. I'm sure I don't have to go further into that, but it is kind of funny how people want to try to make themselves look like they've got the perfect life. Some may not. I don't know. I know I have stuff going on all the time, and I don't think that I could paint my picture on Facebook that way. But to each their own, I guess, is what we should say. But those are going to be difficult because difficult ads to do. You got to be extremely creative in order to get their attention. So just so you know that. I think TikTok would probably be, it's kind of the same thing, right? People are scrolling through TikTok not to really buy. They don't have their credit card in hand. They're just kind of scrolling through TikTok to waste time or pass the time or whatever. So you'd have to get pretty creative about that as well. The ones that you could do, excuse me, is probably Google Ads. Google Ads I've researched a bit, and there you can actually focus in on people that are actually in the internet looking for something. For example, someone types in there, weight loss or how to lose 20 pounds in a week. Those where your long tail keywords are coming into play. That's what that program's for, to help you find those keywords that people, you basically got to read the buyer's mind. The people that have a problem, you got to read their mind on what they're looking for. And those are the keywords that you're going to have to put into your stuff. If you decide to start writing a blog, that wouldn't be a bad thing, but that's a lot of work. So all these guys that are in the internet that are preaching, and claiming that, hey, you can make thousands of dollars overnight. I made $50,000 in 1 week. Well, if you've been doing this for 15 years, maybe you did, maybe. But I tell you what, starting off in the first couple of years, it's not going to be that way. I'll be honest with you. I'll tell you like it is. You're going to have to work your normal 9-to-5 job. Excuse me again. And do this on the side and spend a lot of time doing it. And that's just how it is. I mean, the sooner we accept that, the better off we are. So don't buy into what they're selling. It looks to me like they tried affiliate marketing and couldn't do it, so they chose to do a course and sell that course instead of selling products. So that's just my take on it. That's as much as I could get out of it on doing the research. There's ClickBank. They provide a course. I know they give you an option. What I don't like about these courses is if they were serious about it, they would just say, hey, this is what it's going to cost, and I'll teach you how to do this. And let's get this done, and we'll support you on that. But every last one of them, every last one that I've looked into has to upsell. All right? So they're going to say, well, we'll teach you just enough so that you'll waste your money and then you'll be hanging in the wind. And then you got to pay us another X amount of dollars to teach you how to get over that hump. So I think that's why affiliate marketing has such a bad name. And everybody just kind of cringes when you hear the word affiliate marketing. And yeah, it's always an upsell. And I maybe that's just the business in upsell, and you have to squeeze the orange 3 times harder and longer than what normal people do. I think that it's better just to be honest and say, hey, I've got a solution to your problem, and then find those people that have those problems to solve. Okay. So anyway, that's going to be it for today. We're going to kick it off again tomorrow. I'll do some more stuff. I'll leave the link down there for the long tail so you can do your own research on that. I do suggest you do research on that. That's going to be a tool that may be critical to keep making success and keep moving forwards and take those extra steps to start making money. And here, well, we'll be back at it again tomorrow. Wish you the best of the day. Happy Monday, I guess it is today. Have a great week, and I'll see you tomorrow.